Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to Veto Diaries. Today's video is all about baking an easy 3-ingredient cake recipe. This video is trending on YouTube and here's my version of this. All that you need to bake this cake is biscuits, milk and some baking soda. This is a no-fail recipe and anyone can try this out even if you're baking a cake for the first time. Now let's begin, but before that, in a cooker, add half a cup of salt and spread them evenly. Place a stand to elevate the height and close the lid without a gasket or whistle. Preheat them at a medium-low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm greasing the baking tin lined with parchment paper with some oil, but if you do not have parchment paper, you can grease the tin with oil and dust some powder. That should work well. Now let's crush the biscuits into a fine powder using a mixer jar. Add some milk and mix them well to form a smooth batter without any lumps. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is important and will help the cake rise and will not make it dense. You can add some milk if required to adjust the consistency of the batter as shown in the video. Now let's repeat the same steps with the chocolate biscuit. Add some milk and mix them well to form a smooth batter without any lumps. Once the mixture is ready, let's alternate each layer in the baking tin as shown in the video. Take a skewer or a knife and make some random strokes to bring them together and form a good design as shown in the video. Let's bake it in a preheated cooker for about 40 to 45 minutes in low flame, and if you're baking it in oven, let's bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. The next step is optional for decorating the cake. We are making a chocolate ganache. For that, in a double boiler setup, add about 60 grams of dark chocolate and 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you do not have fresh cream, use milk and mix until the chocolate is melted. Once the cake is cooled down, let's pour in the melted chocolate into a piping bag, or you can pour the ganache as it is on top of the cake, and that's it. We are ready to dig in and enjoy! If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to leave your suggestion in the comment section below. See you in my next video.